What's going on, guys? This is Williams, and in today's video we're going to talk about Microsoft Clarity. And this is a tool that I believe Microsoft is just trying to roll out to replace the good old Microsoft Bing Webmaster Tool. Or I don't know, maybe they could work side by side, but I decided to have these other tools opened so we could just do a little comparison. Now, with Microsoft Bing Webmaster Tools, you would be able to see website traffic. You could add a sitemap to a website just like I did here, and it will show you the search performance based on the keywords that the website is actually found via Bing search engine. And this website in particular isn't really active at the moment. It has actually been down for quite some time because I stopped caring about it. But then this is basically what it does. It tells you what the website is ranking for. It gives you some search engine data, and you could also do some keyword research from this and just find keywords that are related to the website itself. You could index the pages using Index Now, and you could also just check out the backlinks pointed to the website or from the website from this tool, and that's just what it does. Google Search Console does a much better job, in my opinion, because it's more reliable and more of the traffic comes from Google. So let's just say as high as 90% most of the time of people's website depend on Google traffic, because then the others will be shared between Bing and other search engines as well. So that's what Google Search Console does. But with Microsoft Clarity, it does like an all-in-one thing, and I'll show you how. To access, first of all, you just need to go to clarity.microsoft.com. And for this demo, we're just going to use the live demo option so I could show you the features in the system. Now, once you are logged in, you get to see these options, and it's very detailed, I must say. It tells you more about events that take place, which when you're using Google Search Console, for instance, for you to see such events, you would probably need to have Google Analytics set up by the side. So this has that included. It tells you the referrals to your website, like how people reach your website. It could be via google.com, it could be via bing.com, it could be via other search engines or other sources. It tells you that. It also gives you data like the performance score for your pages, which in my opinion, this is very important to have all in one by just logging in and seeing it straight up. And this is very important because it doesn't just stop there by showing you where your traffic is coming from or who clicked on your traffic. It also gives you like a recording of your website activities. Let's say you want to just take note of how people interact with your website. This gives you a very, very clear data of how that happened. So you could have all recordings and just choose one that you could view, and it will just tell you, hey, someone from Ireland accessed your website, and the person used a Windows PC to access the website at so time and date, and this is the referrer. And you would also be able to see the clicks they have done, like based on the mouse movement and what they've clicked on the website, which is very important in case you have a website that contains some pop-ups or some form of sign-up forms that you want to see how people are really interacting with those. It's very important. It also gives you the heat map of like activities going on the website, meaning it will tell you where people focus more on your website, and it also works based on the recording. So if we are to click one, it's going to tell you, hey, there's more heat map of people choosing to sign up using Microsoft account than Google account. And a lot of people are ignoring signing up with Facebook account. And this will help you make decisions as you should on your own website and remove all those things that are not necessary just to increase the speed or accessibility of your website. Now, on a normal day, for you to have access to these options, like getting the traffic details of your website, to checking the recordings made from your website, down to checking the heat map of your website, you need to have at least 3 tools to do that. And these include tools like Google Search Console or Bing Webmaster Tools. And then for the events, you need to have something like Google Analytics setup. And for the heat map, you also need to have tools like Mouseflow opened up. And trust me, some of these tools like Mouseflow especially, they don't come cheap, and they just give you limited options just for that. But I don't know if this would continue this way, but at the moment, what Microsoft is saying about Clarity is that it is free. When you click on the pricing option, it tells you that for now, you could access every feature for free. I don't know if that's their own way of trying to see how people get to use it. I don't know, but then it's something that's worth giving it a shot if you're a website user. And just let me know your experience with Microsoft Clarity in the comment section. So that's been it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.